Welcome to this course Basic Manufacturing Process Unit 1st Lecture 15th Stages of Heat Treatment Process. Stages of Heat Treatment Process. Agenda for today in present in this video: Introduction to Heat Treatment, Objective of Heat Treatment Process, Objective of Heat Treatment Process, Softening, Hardening, Material Modification, and heat treatment stages of heat treatment and heating stage, soaking stage, cooling stage, and heat colors of steel, methods of heat treatment. Introduction to the heat treatment. The heat treatment of metal, because we have to know that effect of heat produced by welding of cutting has metal. Welding cutting on metal. We also need to know the methods used to restore metal its original condition. Mm, the process of heat treating is the method by which metals are heated and cooled, which are made heated and cooled series of a specific operation n- never allow of metal to reach the molten state. Objective of heat treatment. The purpose of heat treating to make the metal more useful, changing the restoring its mechanical property, changing of mechanical properties with the help of heat treatment. Through heat training, we can make a metal metal harder, stronger, and more resistant to impact. Also, heat treating can make the metal softer and more ductile. Objective of heat treatment. The objective of heat treatment, some property are improved with the expense of other. Example, hardening a metal may make the brittle. Heat treatment is the controlled heating and cooling of metals. Heat treatment process of controlling heating, cooling and metals to uh, alter their physical and mechanical properties without changing the product shape. Without change of product shape, with the help of changing the mechanical properties of the product without change of shape and size. Heat treatment is soft associated with increasing the strength of material, but it can also be used to alter ma- certain manufacturability manufacturability objectives such as improve machining, improve formability, and restore ductility after a cold working operation. The manufacturing process but also can improve product performance and increasing strength of other desirable characteristics. Objective of heat treatment continue. I present is the continue objective of the heat treatment. Steel are particularly sustainable for heat treatment since they are respond we will heat treatment and the commercial use for steel exceed the other materials. Steel are heated Steel are heated to one of the following reasons: softening, hardening, material modifications. What is the meaning of softening? Softening is done to reduce the strength or hardness, remove the residual stress, improve toughness, restore ductility, refining grain size, change the electromagnetic property of the steel. Softening in the under the cold working and cold rolling operation, wire drawing, analyzing full process, and sporading, normalizing and uh, tempering adamo and austeniting. Objective this we are presented in the continue in this topic of the heat treatment. The objective of heat treatment process in hardening is of the steel is done to increase the strength and increase the strength and wear property of the steel. Once of the pre-quenching prerequisites for hardening of each surface. Hardening Hardening is sufficient carbon alloy content. If there is a sufficient carbon content, then the steel can be directly hardened. Carbon carbon enriched using some diffusion treatment hardening techniques. Other in this topic in material modification. The this is heat treatment process in and applications of the material modification. Heat treatment is used to modify the properties of the material is adding to hardening and softening of the material is achieved with the help of heat treatment process. These process modifying the behavior of the steels in the beneficial manner, maximizing the service life of the in steel equipment. Stages of heat treatment. Again, topic is stages of heat treatment. Heat heat treating is accomplished in three major stages. Stage 1: heating the metal heating the metal slowly to ensure a uniform temperature. This metal is heating to metal, ensuring the uniform temperature and stage 2 sock holding. Soaking holding the metal at a given temperature for a given time and cooling time. Metal to room temperature. Stage third, cooling the metal to room temperature. Heating stages. In the heating stages of the heat treatment process, the primary objective in this heating stage is to maintain uniform temperature. Maintain the uniform temperature. The heating rate of a part depending on the several factor. Once important factor is the heat conductivity of the metal. Other stage in the heat treatment process in soaking stage. After the metal is heated, the proper temperature, it is held to the temperature utili- until the desired internal structure changes take place. This process is called the soaking process. The length of time held at the proper temperature is called the soaking period. This is known as soaking period. Note: non-uniform metal are seldom preheated because they are usually do not require it, and preheating can also increase in the grain size in the metal. Increase in the grain size in these metals. Thank you so much. In this video, I presented in the main objective of the and heat treatment process and stages of heat treatment process and some methods of heat treatment process in present in this video.